Potato halwa is a dessert which is commonly made during festivities in northern India. Also, it is very easy to make and I'll show you how to make one today. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Take 3 potatoes in a pressure cooker. This recipe serves 2 people. If you want to make more, increase the quantities accordingly. Now add enough water to cover the potatoes. Put on the lid and pressure cook this for 4 whistles. Allow the pressure to release on its own. Once the pressure goes off, peel the potatoes and grate it. You can also mash the potatoes. Meanwhile, I have powdered 2 cardamom pods. I have taken a tablespoon each of cashews and pistachios and 2 tablespoons of raisins. I have also added 5 strands of saffron to 2 tablespoons of milk. I am gonna microwave this for a minute. You can also boil the milk in a small pan. Now, in a pan, heat up quarter cup of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, add in 2 tablespoons of raisins. Once the raisins puff up, transfer it to a separate plate. To this, I have added 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts. Once it is slightly golden, I'll transfer it to a separate plate. To this, add in the grated potatoes. Gently mash the potatoes using the spoon as you stir it. Now, on low flame, saute the potatoes till it absorbs all the ghee. After about 5 minutes, it would have absorbed all the ghee and starts to clump together. Once it reaches that consistency, add in half a cup of sugar and the heated saffron milk. Now, again on low flame, slowly combine everything well till the sugar is melted and everything comes together. Keep stirring it till the halwa holds its shape like this and it starts to release ghee. It will take about 15 minutes on low flame. Now turn off the flame, garnish it with the chopped nuts, raisins and cardamom powder. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you.